Morning. Happy Thursday. How's everyone doing here? How are you guys? All good? Morning, morning. I had this little overnight short. Where is it? Come on. Okay. I don't know why this thing is like that. But yeah. That's a eval, so I honestly don't care if it goes green or red. But yeah, I'm watching SPY high and low yesterday high. That's pretty much the level I'm looking to trade today. So far, it's rejecting 543. But who knows? What a crazy move we had the past few days. The Q, super bullish. Look at another gap, just made another gap. Gaps not always get filled. I think we had something like that in March, that the market kept going higher and higher without filling gaps. That could happen. I don't know. That could happen. But yeah, I really, really want to play these gaps on the Q and SPY. So let's see. So the level that I'm looking today on the Q, based on this gap up, is pre-market high. So if can break pre-market high, we play the upside, and it's super, super bullish. If reject, I look for a quick scalp, short scalp. Not much, because the market's been so strong that I'm kind of scared to play the downside. I'm not scared, it's just like the market's been so strong that why risk it going against the trend? Morning, morning. Looking ARM, looking Microsoft, AMD. AMD, it's been in this huge range. So weird. But at the same time, it kind of looks like a flag. Like a bull flag. ARM going for all-time high again. I want to see ARM going back down to 150. That level will be awesome if it can pull back there. Are we gonna have it? I don't know. 150, and the other level that I'm looking there is 164, which is all-time high. What do I think about the VWAP hole in the queue? I don't know. Not much to think about it. The market just open. The VWAP by itself, it doesn't tell me anything. Nvidia is looking pretty strong. Apple too. Microsoft so far is doing nothing. Palo Alto, I'm only looking to trade Palo Alto if it can break above. What's the gap? The gap. Where's the gap? Wait. The gap on Palo Alto. That's the only thing that I'm looking to trade there. Palo Alto, it's been a mess. Had a beautiful bounce out of the 290 level, but other than that, not really interesting. I'm not really interested on Palo Alto unless it breaks 328, 329, which is near the gap. Because I want to play that huge gap and I have an alert there. But other than that, not much for me. What is coin doing? I haven't looked at coin for a while. But nothing. It's been choppy there. 264, 260, 264, 263 is a big resistance. AMD looking pretty bad. Needs to hold 146. AMD 146.10, around there. ARM trying to hold yesterday high, which can be very bullish. No, I made that short. That's an eval account. I got that short last night. And I have no stop loss on that account. Buenos días. CRM's been so dead, like dead for like 4 days. Needs to hold 229, 228. Morning. SPY is looking weak. So far, I don't see anything that I love. Mm-mm. $543 short. Yeah. I think I do like that $543 short. I think it's kind of late for me. I just don't love a short here with Apple and Microsoft looking bullish right now. I don't know, I just don't love it. It's weird that SPY is going lower with Microsoft and Apple going higher. AMD dead. When is Tesla Day or Tesla investors, whatever? Ooh, Tesla is holding 188. That's interesting. 88 used to be a resistance. If it can really hold that, that's pretty bullish. I entered SPY puts right before the market closed yesterday. With a small size, kind of like a YOLO. They are down right now, but if SPY can go to 540, they'll be in the money. I entered those puts because most of the time, well, first of all, it's not like it's a small risk, it's a YOLO, but I like this rejection daily candle here. Most of the time when you have something like that, the market goes lower. I don't know. Again, I don't know if that's gonna happen because the market's been super bullish, so I'm going against the trend. That's why it's a YOLO. It's not an A+ setup. But we'll see how SPY is gonna close today. I like this Tesla hold. 188 hold. The thing is, I don't know when is a Tesla Investors Day. I'm long here weekly on Tesla 190. My stop loss is gonna be today's low. Let's see. Okay. Thank you. Oh, it's next Thursday. Should I go for next week's contracts? Yeah, I think so. $195 I got for next week. I like that reaction on NQ. I'm gonna go short here. And though SPY is weaker than the Q. Let's see. I want to see the Q losing the VWAP here. And I like how Nvidia is losing the VWAP. Microsoft is right at resistance, and Apple is kind of looking weak. But we'll see. Come on, Q, go lower. Go lower, Nvidia. Fill the gap. Nvidia has a gap till a little bit under 127. So far we have not much, other than SPY being very weak. Okay, we're looking Gucci. Looking good. Keep going. Keep going. Ooh, okay. Thank you, Pedro. That's very bullish on Tesla, because there was a rumor that Elon was gonna leave Tesla. I don't think he's gonna ever leave Tesla, but still. The man deserves his billions. If we hold here, I'm gonna get out and gonna wait for this pre-market high, which is the best entry for short, this pre-market high. Like, you could easily go higher here and then reject, or just break and keep going higher. Meta just did a 360. Needs to break 510. Nvidia trying to hold, fighting the VWAP. So far we have nothing. Google kinda looks like a bear flag. Microsoft rejecting all-time high. $30-minute candle looking ugly on SPY in the queue. Yeah, I do like this Tesla hold. Come on, Q, go lower. The Russell? Let's see. Oh yeah. I think we need Nvidia to go lower so the Q can really die here. And I want to see SPY today losing yesterday's low. SPY gap is a little bit tricky because yesterday went under the morning low. And then I was waiting for SPY to fill the gap, but it just bounced hard and gap up today, so that's weird. Okay, I like that. That's looking beautiful. Looks like we have a little support here, morning low. We need to lose that level so the market can keep going lower. Wanna see it under that level. I wanna see Microsoft losing the VWAP and same thing with Nvidia, so that way the Q can keep dying. Bum, bum, bum. Being patient here. Just waiting for Nvidia to really lose the VWAP. But it's fighting there. So let's see if the Q is gonna go to yesterday high and then 475.50. No, Nvidia is fighting there. Looking pretty strong right now. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. If it closes, rejecting the VWAP, I'm still in. If it closes green strong, I'm getting out. Looks like it's gonna stop me out. Nvidia going for morning high. If it breaks that, it's gonna boom boom. I like that reaction on SPY, just the Q definitely stronger than SPY. Okay, I like that reaction, but I want to see a bigger reaction there. That one is looking pretty bullish. Huge gap up and it's holding very, very good. Looking pretty bullish. Okay, I like that. I want to see this candle closing like that with a strong rejection there. Same thing with Nvidia. Nvidia is rejecting pre-market high. I'm sorry, morning high, pretty strong. Hello, hello, Carla. Nah, I don't like Dell. I don't like any of those stocks that you guys are talking about. No SMCI, no Broadcom, no Dell. But Dell has a huge gap, so I'm gonna put an alert about to the beginning of the gap and see if we can play that gap. Even though I don't love that gap because inside, like between that gap, it has a bunch of resistance. But maybe worth it for a swing, for a little swing trade. Oh yeah, I don't trade those stuff. Tesla is looking beautiful. Nvidia. Nvidia is trying to stop me out. That's awesome, Robert. The problem is the way I trade most of the time is different from you guys because I can see you guys looking for small move. If I'm trading options, I want to trade big move so I can swing trade. I swing trade and look for a big move. Look at Tesla. Tesla's looking so cute. 194 is it has a little bit resistance right now when it is 191, but the main one I see is 194 and near 200 Tesla. So I'm gonna put a alert near 194 and then near 200 to take a little bit of profits there. One thing that I don't like about this trade is that SPY pretty much filled the gap. So it can easily bounce here. Yeah, because SPY is looking stronger because it filled the gap. So it filled this gap that it had from yesterday. Like from yesterday's close till today's open. We'll see what's gonna happen. I just need the Q to lose this little level here. And I need Nvidia to go for the gap down, for the gap that it has below. Apple is not doing anything. I think Apple needs to like settle a little bit, pull back a little bit, calm down. ARM is pulling back. I want to see ARM around 150 to enter loans. Tesla looking beautiful. The Q, it's kind of looking more bullish. Still keeps fighting here. The VWAP not doing much. If it's not doing much at support, kind of consolidating there. That's more bullish than bearish, but we'll see. I want to see this 30-minute candle closing ugly, rejecting the top. Same thing with Nvidia. Nvidia and the Q looks pretty much the same. Okay, I like that. That's Apple moving the Q lower. Apple yesterday's close was very ugly. It has a long wick at the top, rejecting 220. Come on, keep doing it. Go lower. Morning. Keep going, keep going. That was a perfect rejection of morning high on Nvidia. Wait. That was beautiful. Now we need this level to act as resistance if we have any bounce here. Or maybe all these. Wanna see all these acting as resistance here. So the Q can keep going lower. That's an ugly reaction on Tesla. I have a few PAs and a few evals. Okay, so we have ARM at 150, around near 150. I want to see it holding there. If it cannot hold there, around 148 and 145 are the next possible supports on ARM. Okay, we're going for yesterday's high on the Q. We want to see Nvidia losing today's low so the Q can really die. Well, more than it's dying right now. That's awesome. Congrats, Debbie. You've been killing it lately. You're trading with a 250k account? Or the 50k? This is an important level here on SPY. And Nvidia keeps bouncing. Nvidia is a chop mess today. It's moving inside a range. Today's high, morning high and morning low. ARM bouncing out of 150. I want to see consolidation there to enter loans. Whoa. Man, that was perfect. Okay, I'm taking one out, holding one. I want to see now the Q losing this level here. So far, the 30-minute time frame is looking ugly. It only if Nvidia can fill the gap that it has lower, the Q will definitely die and go to around 473. Should I get out of here? Am I being too greedy? Let's see. Because it could definitely bounce hard here and then retest this level and then keep going lower, or just keep going higher. Yeah, the 250 accounts are awesome. You have a big drawdown, and playing with only 2 contracts is more than enough to make a lot of money. 2 minis. And we still have 1 month to pass, so the 250 accounts have evals are right now are the same price as the 50k account, and we have until the 15th of next month to pass those accounts and get the $85 promotion for the old one-time fee for the PAs. So pretty good damn deal. Yeah, I like that reaction there. Keep going, keep going. So we're right at yesterday high. This little wick, but I don't think this wick is strong enough to hold. I think the real level for yesterday is this high here, or around 475.50. Damn, Tesla is gonna stop me out. What happened with Tesla? What are you doing, Tesla? Yeah, if it goes under today's low, like morning low, I'm getting out. Yeah, ARM is bouncing pretty strong out of the 150 level. Okay, come on, Nvidia, just go lower. What a mess is Tesla. That was a very strong reaction out of 191 on Tesla. Okay, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Yeah, Tesla. Let's see how this candle is gonna close. It's right at morning low. If we start fighting here, looking bullish, this 5-minute candle, I'm gonna get out and be happy with my gains. Okay, finally Nvidia kind of looks like it wants to give up that morning low level. Let's see. We need this 5-minute candle closing under that level. Not keep holding it. Yeah, I like how it's projecting there. I want to see this 5-minute candle closing like that or red. Tesla fighting that low. Okay, I'm getting out of Tesla. Looking pretty weak. Looks like it wants to go for that gap. Yeah, that's just dead. Is this pie gonna go for the gap? OMG! Let's go, Spy. Keep going lower. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna be all out here. Let's see. Let's see if we break that or if is it gonna hold there. Anybody playing Nvidia rejection? That morning high rejection was very, very clean on Nvidia. Okay, I'm all out. Super happy. Yay! I'm all out with the NQ play. I'm holding one. I'm still holding this one from last night. I wanna... The idea for me to hold that this trade is for SPY to fill the gap, or ES, the same thing. Yay! Very clean downside. It was very tricky entering here. Oh, I almost got stopped out on this motherfucker. Video almost stopped me out. You're in ARM? Yeah, I like ARM. I do like ARM. I wanna see it. I wanted to see a little bit more action around 150. I guess I'm gonna wait until another 150 retest or 151, pretty much the same thing, or the break of VWAP. But the thing is, like, if SPY goes for the gap, I don't feel comfortable holding any options to the upside, like any calls. Let's see if SPY really gonna fill the gap today. So basically, what we wanna see is SPY going under yesterday's low and then bouncing and rejecting there. Which level I entered the queue? I entered on this, I think it was this candlestick. Yeah, this one. Like I said, it was a little bit tricky because the queue was definitely holding the VWAP, and it was holding yeah, it was looking like it wanted to consolidate and holding the VWAP. So it was looking more bullish than bearish, and then yeah, more bullish than bearish. The thing was that Nvidia looking bearish at that time. Apple wasn't looking strong at all, and seeing the Apple daily candle, like yesterday's daily candle, I thought Apple needed to go lower, and Microsoft was rejecting all-time high. So I was like, okay, if those three are looking weak, SPY is very weak, or was, well, it's still weak, but at that time was very weak. I was like, okay, the queue, it was too late to enter SPY, but the queue could break down here. But it was risky because this wasn't like, I didn't have this level, like this level was nothing. I was expecting for the queue more like to go high, retest this pre-market high, and then either reject there or just break and keep going higher to follow, to keep being bullish here, right? So this wasn't like a best entry. I don't know, I think this trade is more based on experience than technical analysis, I think, because based on technicals, the queue at this time was looking more bullish than bearish, and could easily stop me out again, going to pre-market high and rejecting there. So I was aware that this entry wasn't the best, and yeah, it was very, very clear to me that it could easily stop me out, and then I'll be looking for re-entries here to go short or long at this level here. I think SPY was cleaner, but it was too late for me to enter SPY shorts. Look at that bounce. Yeah, like I said, it wasn't like a A+ setup because the market's been so strong lately that I'm basically going against the trend. Which is something that I always preach not doing, but I never do that with options. With futures, it's different. Futures, I can trade any side. In fact, I've been making a lot of money the past few days just playing reactions on a very strong market. So, with futures, I don't like scalping with options, but with futures, you can literally go either side, trade either side, because it should be like, I don't see futures like a thing that I want to hold for too long, unless I'm doing a overnight play based on the daily time frame, like this one that I have. But I'm doing it on an eval because I know it's very risky. It's a very risky trade. I would not do those trades with my PAs. Yeah. Like, I could easily go, if I wanted to go long, and if I didn't have these big gains today, I could easily change here and go for a quick scalp here, because I knew the Q was gonna bounce here. Don't know if we're gonna keep going higher, but I knew we're gonna have a bounce. Like, most of the time, if you see smaller time frames, you never see anything just breaking a important level with just one move. Unless we have like very like important news. But other than that, you don't see levels breaking like with the first touch. Like this one can break later, yeah, but not on the first touch. That was a very important reaction level yesterday. Video is a mess. Super messy. Tesla looks like it wants to go for the gap. I'm still watching ARM. It's fighting the VWAP. I kind of wanted to see it going lower again and retest that 151, 150 level. If not, I'm waiting for the VWAP break to go long. No, not all the NQs are evils. I have a few PAs here and few evils. This one is an eval. I'm holding this one just to play this entire gap, or at least a big part of the gap. Wait, where was this? So far, it looks like SPY keeps holding yesterday's low. And yes, we had a pullback here, but if we look at the daily, the Q still is very bullish. Like, we still have a higher high, so far a higher low. Look at this daily. keeps gapping up and holding, gaps up. Right now filled the gap, but it's still holding. So the market is still very bullish. We only have like one little morning red morning, at least so far. Now we love to see SPY filling the gap, because that will be a break retest of previous all-time high. That will be a amazing opportunity to play longs here. I might swing trade this one if SPY goes back down to previous all-time high. Okay, we're trying to hold here. SMCI first need to break 940, 950. Okay, so far SPY holding yesterday's low. Mike goes back up and retest the VWAP. We'll see. Microsoft, watching Microsoft. If it can break yesterday high, which is all-time high, that's another play to the upside. That's up to you. If you asking me if you should hold or sell, it means you had no plan, aka you should not have made that trade. No, you cannot swing on prop firms. You cannot swing. What you can do is, what I did is I open a trade last night. So if you want to swing anything, just close your contract 10 minutes before the market open. You need to close everything at, I think, at 350 or 330. I think it's 350. So basically 10 minutes before the market open, and then you wait until futures open again at 6, I think. Then you enter there. I think I entered this trade around 7:30 or 8 last night. So the idea behind that trade was, okay, so SPY closed with a very ugly daily candle, right? Again, it's super I'm going against the trend, so it's very risky. But my idea was, okay, this is an eval. I can either lose it if SPY overnight like gaps up above yesterday high, or I just can buy it here and then hold it the entire day to see if wants to fill the gap. That's basically it. And I'm just gonna leave it there. Unless I see SPY breaking today's high. If it doesn't break today's high, I'm just gonna leave it there. But both SPY and the Q are at levels that I will not enter anything here. I will just wait. One, I will not trade the Q here because it already filled the gap and is right at a very strong support. And if we see the daily, the Q is definitely way stronger than SPY. If you guys want to trade anything else, I will wait for SPY to break yesterday's low and wait for a break and retest to the downside. So basically, you want to see SPY going lower, retesting yesterday's low, then you play the reaction there. That's awesome, congrats. Yeah, I could double top here, but I'm not looking to short something that is looking stronger than the overall market. You guys on anything? What is your next play? CRM is bad. Again, gaps don't get filled always, but this is a very strong possibility. My thoughts on Apple? Nothing to think about Apple. You need to give it time to digest the past 2 days. That move, if you see the daily, you can clearly see that it have a very strong reaction of 220. I would not touch Apple. I would let it like settle a little bit, give me some new support, because it's been up so much that we pretty much have no levels. Like you can see some intraday levels, but I don't know, I like daily levels. Adobe, I don't play that one. I don't play anything that is 900 or I will say nothing that is like $700. I don't think it's worth it. I don't even look at those stocks. Unless those stocks are moving the market, like Nvidia did when it was like before the split. But if it's not really moving the market, I don't care what those stocks do. FCM, what's the other one? SMCI, Adobe, Chipotle, all those stocks are super high. I don't trade them. It's not worth it. At least for me, it's not something that I'm looking to trade. Ooh, let's see if SPY is gonna break this low. Right now we have nothing. We have a little bit of consolidation, maybe a bear flag, who knows. I think Apple should pull back today and tomorrow, at least for the rest of the week. But if it goes higher, 220 is the level to watch. I'm pretty much done trading, but I just want to see if SPY is gonna break this level. I really want to see SPY filling this gap. But I shouldn't keep trading futures. I might go with like 4 micros. Or maybe 2. Because I don't want to risk my gains. I'm gonna give it like 30 minutes. If it doesn't do that on 30 minutes, I'm out and done. But I'm still holding I'm gonna keep holding my puts, my SPY puts, unless we break today high. CRM is not looking good. Boring time right now. We gotta be patient here and wait. Okay, we have a SPY holding here. Maybe it's gonna give us another bounce to the VWAP and then reject it, or just consolidate a little bit here to keep going lower. Who knows? This is why I like to trade like I take like 1 trade, like, or maybe 2, get out and be done. Finally, it's not raining today. Have you guys seen how it's Miami right now? How flooded Miami is? Yeah, ugly. I'm super lucky that my house is kinda a little bit like higher from the floor. But I had a friend that she had to like get out, take everything out of her apartment last night because her apartment was so flooded that she was like drowning inside her apartment. I'm gonna give you this very important tip if you want to buy any house in Miami. Do not buy anything that is near the beach. It's crazy expensive and everything flowed there. Like everything you have like a little rain in Miami, bye cars, bye carpets. It's ugly. Like Miami Beach, Brickell, South Miami. And it's crazy expensive. Disgusting swimming pool. Well, Brickell, you're gonna have no problem inside your apartment. Just be careful where your car is gonna be parked. But Miami Beach, it's ugly when it rains. I honestly see no reason why SPY shouldn't keep going lower. Well, no, there's only one reason. Microsoft is holding. That's the only thing that I see why SPY is kind of holding. Look at this. Look at this. People in Miami. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Look at this. No, I don't want to log in. Look at this. People swimming in Miami. Outside. Disgusting. Don't tell me what to do, please. You do you, I do me. Nvidia, Apple losing it. Looks like we're going down. Let's see if SPY is gonna finally break this level and be done for today. Why are you using the 15? I use the 30. Morning. No, you're not helping. You're being annoying. I don't need your help. Yeah, Apple dropping. Yesterday's low is the next level that I see for Apple. It's right at pre-market low right now. It loses that. Yesterday's low is the next level to watch on Apple. Microsoft keeps holding, which is the one that I'm looking to trade to the upside if breaks yesterday high. Yeah, I'm gonna trade micros if let's see, if I see SPY breaking here. Oopsie. Oh really? We are yelling talking? Okay, that's gonna mess up my trade. Ooh, I don't at what time? 11:30? 12? Thank you guys. If yelling is talking, I'm not gonna take any trades. What do you mean, Sammy? What stock? Let's Google yelling. I think she already talked today. On CNBC. But, okay. At 12? 1 Eastern? Okay, that's fine. We have time. We have time. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna start here. 4 shorts. Micros. Let's see. Let's go. Let's see if this is gonna work out or not. I should have definitely waited for a bigger breakdown and then wait for a bounce. But Apple is dying. We have FOMC speakers today also at 12. So we have Jelen at what time? At 12. We have Bonds at 1. I'm gonna be out before 12. In fact, if I don't see anything happening here, like SPY not losing yesterday's low around 11:30, I'm gonna sell all these and be out. I had a very good trade in the morning. No need to keep trading, especially no need to keep like wasting my time watching this. What's going on with Bitcoin? It's been a mess the past few days. By the way, any of you got into the MAGA token? That entry was perfection. Remember we talked about that one? Trump's token? Look at this. So I talk about this one when it was around here, around $4. Look at this. It got till 18. I think it's gonna give us another pullback here, and then just keep going and make all-time high, especially if Trump's runs and wins this year. But yeah, this was a perfect entry. I'm holding my full position here, but I think it can definitely give you another entry here. That's gonna be a big one. If Trump wins this year, that thing is gonna fly. I think it can go to 100, even higher. Yeah, I do think he's gonna win. I don't like him, but I think it's better than the other one. I honestly can't believe that US, that it have like 300 million people, cannot have better runners to run the country. Like, why? see what's the US population. I think it's over 300. Oh no, 33.3 million. No, that was in 2022. Well, whatever. Over 300 people. 300 million. And you cannot have better presidents than the one we have right now. Elon will be a fun one, but he's not American. I think he would love to be president of the US. He's a little bit cuckoo, but I like him. Kanye? Kanye is insane. But I went to one of his concerts few years ago. I think it was like 2020. He was still married with Kim Kardashian. When was that? Let me check that. And it was awesome. It was so good. But that was before. Well, he has been always being like, he's been crazy, like always. But now it's worse than ever. Let me see. It was 2016. It was the Saint Paulo tour. He was so good. I don't like talking about politicians. In fact, I hate politicians because I come from a country that politicians pretty much ruin the country. And my grandpa also comes from a country where the country went to shit pretty much because of politicians. So I have a very big, like, I hate politicians, but I just like every time people talk about politicians, I'm like, I don't understand how the US doesn't have better presidents. That's it. At least better runners. What do you think about Trump? I don't like him. I don't like him as a person. But I do think he's a very smart guy. And I think he's way better than the one we have right now. I think he is too extreme. And like I said, I come from a country that it was like super rich. And now, because of communism, because one president we had, it was extreme left, he ruined the country, and that's why I left Venezuela. But I don't like any president that is too extreme. I think that's very dangerous. But I'm not American, so you guys deal with your own, with your shit. Like, you guys deal with that. $2. That's, yeah, that's not gonna, you're not gonna feel like tank right now with $2 in Venezuela. Like more, it's kind of like here. It's like, yeah, it's like $60. It's more expensive than here for no reason. Okay, it looks like we're holding. Carlos Andres Perez? No, I was talking about Chavez. I'm Venezuelan. I don't like the 25k account. The drawdown is too small, so if you're trading anything on that account, it must be, you gotta do it with micros. Small gains, small losses. I don't like the 25k because I feel you need to trade with very small size, and I think for us as human beings we need to have like something that it kind of make us wanna keep doing it or not feel frustrated. So if you have small gains, you're not gonna like trading. Like, you're gonna get frustrating with your gains, but because they're gonna be too little. I honestly don't have a stop loss on this one. I will say I'm gonna wait and see if I see any like 30-minute candle that is very bullish and strong. I'll get out. Also, if I see that SPY keep holding and Microsoft breaking all-time high, most likely I'll get out also of this position. But if you're on a small size, you can do something like this. Let's see. Where is it? Short. Maybe entry here. Maybe stop loss here, this or this one, and then your PT is all that. Yeah, so I will say your stop loss could be this high, this little candle high, and then get out and wait for the VWAP. I don't know, I don't use NQ levels. I don't use futures charts. To trade futures, I only use what you guys are seeing here. These are the charts that I look at. SPY and QQQ levels. We're just holding and doing nothing. Hey! Any good shows to watch or movies? I'm watching The Three Body Problem. Pretty good. Not as good as the book, but it's pretty good. The books are amazing. Your Honor? What is it about? Ooh, sounds pretty good. That might be the next one that I watch. Can't wait for House of the Dragon to come back. It's sci-fi, right? That one? Oh, it's action. Looks bloody. I do like action movies. I pretty much watch everything but horror movies. Can't wait for the new Inside Out movie also. Inside Out 2. Oh, it's already out. Oh no, it's tomorrow. That's my Sunday plan. Watching Inside Out. Going to the movies. I watched The Boys, like, I think for a few episodes, but I don't know, it didn't catch me. I don't know why. Even though it's very good. People love it. Yeah, Molly's Game, so good. So good. The Russell filled the gap. It's right at support. So everything is at support. It's holding. I think I'm gonna get stop out here. Let's see if this 5-minute candle close above this high. I'm getting out. Most likely it's gonna try to go to a VWAP at least. And this is getting pretty boring. I heard they fall out. It's very good. Okay, let's see. If this 5-minute candle closes strong above this one high, I'm out. This 30-minute candle is gonna close green, bullish, at support, holding yesterday's high. I'm sorry, yesterday's low. AKA, don't wanna give up the support. Might take a few hours. Maybe retest the VWAP and then reject there and keep going lower, or just hold the entire day that base. Red die for you or no? Why? Why you blow up your PA in one day? You were trading with too much size. Yeah, this is getting too bullish. Let's see. Bullish and boring. Is this a flag? Maybe. Okay, I'm out. Okay, this did not happen. This is another resistance, but most likely we're gonna go for the VWAP. Microsoft is trying to break that high. I think I'm done for today, or at least for this morning, but I do like the Microsoft break of yesterday high, which is all-time high. If Microsoft can break and hold that level, it is extremely bullish. Most likely I'll be playing calls there. But yeah, I'm done for today, guys. So beautiful day. Let's see. Up almost 2,500 per account. Beside this one is like above 3K today. I'm gonna keep holding this one unless we break, let's just say, the VWAP. If I see a strong break of the VWAP, I'm getting out. If not, I'm just gonna keep holding this one. But yeah, I don't know if I'll be here tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, Freaky Friday. But yeah, pretty good day today. Remember to like the video, subscribe. See you guys maybe mañana, maybe Monday. Happy weekend.